In the other tutorial, I showed you how to quickly add the zipper slider back on the tape. Here's a whole roll of tape I have here. It's probably 3 or 4 yards. So I'm going to show you how to add a bunch of sliders at the same time now, so you don't have to keep going back to square one every time you want a length of zipper. So nothing's changed. The tine of the fork is going to go through that little hook there where the slider is. So thread it on. Make sure it's stable enough. Tape down the fork on both ends. Now gently open your zipper tape. I'm holding on to the teeth, remember. Slide those both in on an angle evenly. All right, that's on. Lift up one piece of tape, pull off the slider, gently open the zipper again. Pick out another slider. I'm just adding any color here. You can do whatever you like. And thread the slider on the fork. Tape it down. Remember the tape is wrong side up and I'm holding the teeth. Thread them on evenly. All right, that guy's on. Open the tape. Grab another one. I'll just do one more here. Thread it on. It's stable. There you go. Thread it in evenly and on an angle. All right, now you see here, you can cut your zippers to any length you want now, and you have all the sliders on. So let's say, okay, big deal, I want a two-way zipper. So flip the tape upside down and start from the other end. And open up that end. Nothing's changed. Add a slider. Boom, done. Tape it down, tape it down. Going in evenly and on an angle. And you're in. Lift up the tape, pull off this. Now slide this guy all the way up till you get to one of those other zipper pulls. And look what you have. You have a two-way zipper. See? And these are a lot less expensive than buying one that's already made. There's your two-way. All I did was I threaded from one end for this guy and then flipped it over and threaded from the other end for this one. All right, hope you save some money.